What's up everyone, welcome back to Droove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2027 Genesis GV80 3.5T Prestige. This vehicle is powered by a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 with 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So very nice power figures right there and a nice engine. This GV80 Prestige is a very high trim level on this vehicle, or the highest, I believe. Very nice, other than the ESC, of course, the hybrid model. But yeah, really nice interior in this vehicle. Very beautiful two-tone, lighter interior, thick steering wheel with paddle shifters. These Genesis interiors are just absolutely gorgeous. As you guys know, I've been making videos on Genesis over the last week. Been making videos on every single model that I can, and all of them have gorgeous interiors. You have Bang & Olufsen sound system, beautiful open pore wood trim. You do have a 360 view camera in this vehicle. You have a wireless charging tray, heated seats, ventilated seats, and you also have the fragrance option, and you also have a heated steering wheel in this vehicle. You can use the touchscreen, or you can use this dial over here. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in maps as well. You do have Eco, Comfort, and Sport mode. We will be driving in Sport mode. And you have those awesome turn signal cameras. You have the camera mirror. You also have 2 sunroofs in this vehicle, and you also have mirrors for the middle passengers, which is pretty impressive. But let's walk around this Genesis, and then we'll take it out for a drive. (2027) GV80 3.5T Prestige, 85,910 MSRP, 19 mpg, 17 city, 22 highway. You have a vanilla beige interior, and you have Alta white exterior on this vehicle. Really nice wheels on the Prestige, they look beautiful. Nice Genesis brake calipers. I like how it spells out Genesis on them. Nice attention to detail. One thing Genesis does a great job of is attention to detail. It's impressive. Absolutely gorgeous SUV. I love the headlights. I love the Genesis logo and the big grille. Very classy looking. You have Michelin tires on this vehicle. 265 by 40 R22 size. They're Primacy Tour tires. There's a little bit of cargo in this vehicle, so sorry I can't really show you all the room back here. But you do have heated and ventilated seats and captain's chairs, which is nice. You also have power sunshades, which is also impressive. The regular ones only have the manual sunshades, which makes sense. Come out to the back of the vehicle, pretty standard Genesis GV80 rear end. I'm just going to open the trunk with the button inside. Yeah, so a lot of boxes in this vehicle. And yeah, you can fold down the third row and fit those items back there. And also looks like you have climate controls for the third row, which is also really cool. But anyways, let's get this vehicle out on the road now, see how it drives. So that's awesome that the third row has climate control. And I love the wireless charging tray placement, and you can also close this if you don't want to see your phone anymore while it charges. I'm really impressed with those climate controls for the third row. Many brands don't really have climate control in the third row, or vents, or even let alone like actual controls. But Genesis put like a little nice screen back there for the climate controls, and made sure the third row passengers aren't left out in terms of being able to control their climate. and comfort. Nice acceleration, and the engine sounds great. Visibility is good too. You also have blind spot alert in the mirrors and a head-up display as well, very easy to read, legible font. This is a gorgeous cabin and just a gorgeous SUV. It's so classy. The ride is extremely smooth. The cabin is super quiet, very limited road noise in here. I just love how thick the steering wheels are in Genesis. I don't like when vehicles have thin steering wheels because they're harder to grip, and it feels like flimsy, but like a nice thick steering wheel shows like nice craftsmanship. And it's much nicer to, it's something you're going to be touching the whole time while you're in the car, so might as well make it something that's nice to touch. So like I'm very particular about, like, you know, the touch points in an interior. How does everything feel in a luxury vehicle? And Genesis does a great job of making everything feel nice to touch. The steering wheel, the door, the buttons, everything is just great. This feels nice and heavy. I just love attention to detail. And so kudos to Genesis for not skimping on the details. I appreciate that a lot when automakers actually put in effort to make the interiors nice and not skimp. I don't feel like anything was left out in this interior. Everything just feels great. I'm gonna put it in the comfort mode now, see what that's like. The brakes have nice stopping power as well. But we have now returned to Grubb's Genesis Grapevines, so we're about to wrap up today's video. This 2027 Genesis GV80 3.5T Prestige is an absolutely gorgeous SUV, really nice drive, and very impressive overall. I love the whole driving experience and just the experience of being in the cabin, and I really like this vehicle. But thank you as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Genesis Grapevine in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new Genesis.